Hi guys, welcome to a Weatherwise forecast. So as you can see right now, there are no organized severe thunderstorms in forecast. Tomorrow we have a marginal threat that'll be across the panhandle of Oklahoma and then down in southern Texas. If we go to the day 3 outlook, this will be more across southern to eastern Texas, going into really southern southwest Louisiana. So that'll be 5%. We will have another update hopefully tomorrow. This is going to be for wind and hail. The tornado threat is non-existent. So this is going to be what we're looking at for the next couple days. Or for, well, I guess possibly the next month. So you're going to see right in there, those storms will go up. Those will have the potential for all modes of severe weather. Then you see more storms, then you see out here, then right in through there. Then you have a squall line that really marches all the way from Arkansas to possibly the Carolinas. So if I move this over to regional, if I go to the central, we're going to watch this across Oklahoma, Kansas, parts of Texas, parts of New Mexico, Colorado, Arkansas, Missouri, Iowa, a lot of all of those others. So we're going to see, I'm going to stop this right in here, right there. That is the 21st. That is 2 days from now. Oh, that is my bad, guys. So then as we keep going, we see that turn into more showery. That doesn't seem to be posing a severe weather threat. Then you see up there, we have a big thing of freezing rain, which I will go over that and touch that in a few moments. Then we see that, and then that is what we're looking for on the severe threat. Potentially, we could end up seeing some snow right in here. It'd be really low, no accumulation if it does. That is how models are showing. But that is the big storm system. That could be the biggest severe storm maker of the year. So what I'm going to move this up to the Midwest and look at snow totals. These are going to be snow totals for this storm. As you can tell, as you get more, you can see that we are watching a potential winter storm. As I think this is a little aggressive on 19 inches of snow, but it is definitely possible. Here's the freezing rain. This is going to be the freezing rain totals. As you can see, already we're looking about 3/10 of an inch for Friday. Then we see even more come through. That's on Monday. So we could be seeing upwards of 1/2 inch in some of these spots. So please stay weather aware there for winter weather across this area. And then down more south, stay severe weather aware. So I'm going to change models now from the GFS. To the NAM. This one's going to show us across here right now. So that's all I was looking at, so it's not going to be showing much, as you can tell. This is the CFS monthly outlook. As you can tell right in there, we could see that snow mixture on the back end. And then just more severe storm is going to be looking all across this area. It's still looking like we could still be seeing snowstorms across this area. So that's really what it is a bunch of like severe weather over here, snowstorms over here. And look at one more thing. So this is the winter forecast. I'm gonna go over multiple areas and regions. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Regional. I'm gonna go over to the southwest right now. As you can see, just right in here, parts of California. Could be seeing a little, but that is up in the mountains. I'm gonna move this over to the northwest. As you can see, right across that Canada border. Then going down south more. I'm gonna shift it up to the northwest. This is where we're going to be seeing it potentially the biggest. Right in through here is not gonna be that winter storm. And I will go over that in a different video. I'm gonna move up to the northeast, last place. So you can see we have some minor elevated, some moderate in there. Then I'm gonna go to national, go to the excessive rainfall. It's not gonna be existent on the day 1, day 2 either. Day 3 we're gonna see that in parts of Texas, Louisiana, southern Louisiana, to a little bit, I wouldn't call it central, but it'd be like southern to a little bit of western Louisiana, parts of southern and western Texas. But I'd like to thank you guys for tuning into this video. I will have another update hopefully very soon. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please drop a like if you did enjoy the video. Remember, keep God number 1. Have a good day, guys. Oh, happy spring.